Hello everyone. In this video we will be talking about how does the recommendation system work. For example, you have searched how to cook pasta in the YouTube and then notice your entire home page starts filling up with recipes, random recipes which you might have liked or you might not have liked. This is the task of one of the algorithms in computer science called as recommendation systems. A few minutes later, after you searched perfect pasta at home, you started seeing more pasta recipes. Then came garlic bread videos, kitchen hacks, quick dinner ideas, and even more cooking challenges. How did the platform know what to recommend? Did it read your mind? No. It studied your actions. Every time you click, skip, watch, search, or react to a video, it gave the system a small clue about what you might enjoy. These clues are called user behavior signals. A recommendation system collects these signals, compares videos and viewers, and tries to answer one more important question: what should this person watch next? Let us understand how this works using the cooking video shown on the screen. The main term based on which the recommendation system works is user behavior signals. There are different types of signals that a user interacting with an application can give. The first signal is click. User clicks the video. You saw the cooking video thumbnail, decided to open it. That click tells the system that the video caught your attention. But a click is not enough. Sometimes we click a video by mistake. Sometimes thumbnails look interesting, but we leave only after a few seconds. This is why the next signal is very important: watch time. Watch time tells the system how long you stayed with the video. Imagine the pasta video is 8 minutes long. If you leave after 5 seconds, the system may understand that the video was not useful to you. But if you watch almost the entire recipe, that means it's much stronger signal of interest. The system also looks at your reactions. When you like a video, it may suggest that you want to see more videos from that creator. Your search also provides useful information. For example, if you may search for easy pasta recipes, quick dinner ideas, or beginner cooking tips, the system can use the searches to understand your current interests. Skipping is also a signal. If you repeatedly skip similar cooking videos, the system may reduce those recommendations, and when you select not interested, you are giving the system a very clear negative signal. All these actions flow into the recommendation engine. The engine does not normally depend on one action, but it is the combination of signals. One click may mean very little, but clicking a cooking video, watching almost of it, liking it, and then searching for another recipe creates a much clearer and deeper pattern. The system may now understand that cooking content is relevant to you, at least at this moment. Subscription, search, and not interested. These are also the terms that could, in the future of the making of the recommendation engine, help for the engine to give you better solutions in the next recommendation. Now we will understand what is content-based filtering. The system needs to find another videos that are related to you, that based on what you have earlier watched. One method is called content-based filtering. Content-based filtering studies the content and details of video. At the cooking video on the left, you can see the title is easy creamy garlic pasta made with simple ingredients in just 20 minutes. Notice the terms creamy, garlic, pasta. This gives system useful keywords. One is creamy, one is garlic, one is pasta, and one is recipe. The system also identifies the main topic. In this example, the topic is cooking, especially an easy pasta recipe. It may also study the thumbnail. The thumbnail contains a bowl of creamy pasta along with some ingredients such as garlic and herbs. Captions can provide even more information. The spoken words in the video may mention pasta, cream, butter, garlic, and other cooking instructions. The video may also belong to a category such as cooking, dinner recipe, pasta. The listed ingredients provide additional clues such as garlic, cream, butter, parmesan, parsley, salt, pepper. The system combines these content features and creates a description of what the video is about. So based on what you have searched and what information was in the video, we can find the recommendation system finds related videos. An easy tomato basil pasta, homemade garlic bread, easy dinner ideas, 3 easy pasta sauces, and kitchen cooking tips. But they share the related topics, ingredients, categories, recipes, and based on this, the recommendation becomes better. But the system does not only study the video itself, it also studies the patterns created by many other viewers. The method is called collaborative filtering. Look at the anonymous users shown on the left. These viewers watched the same creamy pasta garlic video, but after the pasta video, many of them watched other videos such as veggie stir fry, tiramisu dessert. Some watched a garlic bread recipe, some homemade tomato sauce, some essential cooking tips, or some dessert videos. Recommendation system noticed these shared viewing patterns. It may think people also watch this pasta recipe, also watch these other cooking videos. So when you watch the same pasta video, the system may recommend those videos to you as well. It is not necessary for the suggested video to look exactly like the pasta video. It only needs to have a strong connection with the user behavior. This is similar to a shop telling you customers who also bought this item also bought these items. Collaborative filtering focuses on similar behavior. Content-based filtering focuses on similar content. Real recommendation system often combine both the approaches. They may also ask questions: which videos are similar to videos you watched, and which videos are enjoyed by viewers with similar behavior. The combined answer gives the system a larger collection of possible recommendations. Now, the system may have hundreds or even thousands of possible videos. These possible options are called candidates. As shown at the top of the funnel, many different video cards enter the recommendation process, but the home page cannot display all of them. The system must decide which videos deserve the highest positions. The first important step is scoring. Each candidate receives a score based on many signals. It may estimate whether you will continue watching it or not. It may consider how closely the video matches your recent interests. It may also consider satisfaction goals, quality goals, and freshness, and whether you have already seen the video. After scoring the candidates, the system ranks them. The ranking means placing the video in an order. The video with the strongest predicted relevance may receive the first position. The next strongest video receives the second position, and the process continues. Many videos enter the funnel, but only a few top ranked videos come out. In this visual, you can see top 5 video recommendations are selected. This is why two people can open the same platform at the same time, see completely different recommendations. Each person has created a different pattern of signals. Their candidate videos may be different. Their scores may be different, and their final ranking may be different. Based on the final ranking, they are getting the recommendations each time they open the app. A popular video may appear in your recommendation, but a smaller video may rank higher, but if it matches your interest more closely. You need to understand the recommendation loop. The recommendation does not process after the home page appears. It continues through this loop. First, the recommendation video comes. After that, the user watches it. Then the user reacts. The system updates, and then again new recommendations just for you. Based on the different outputs or the inputs that you provide to the recommendation system, it will again go on with different settings into the loop. Recommend, watch, repeat, update, recommend, watch, repeat, and update. So this repeating cycle is the recommendation feedback loop. If you continue watching cooking videos, the system may become more confident at you enjoying cooking videos. It may show you more recipe videos, but if you stop opening cooking videos or repeatedly mark them as not interesting, the recommendation may gradually change. The system is always adjusting. It is not making one permanent decision about you. There are some common misconceptions that you should note. Recommendation system only shows popular videos. This is a many bigger misconception. Popularity can be one signal, but it is not the complete explanation. Personal behavior, content similarity, similar users, scoring, and ranking all influence what appears on the homepage. Another misconception is that one video permanently changes a feed. One video can influence your recommendations, but repeated behavior usually creates a stronger pattern. If you watch only one pasta video and ignore cooking content, the system may eventually reduce this recommendation. So here's to complete the process. The system records signals as you click, watch time, reaction, searches, and skips. Studies the content of the video, compares your behavior with other similar viewers, collects possible videos, scores, and ranks them. The best option appears on your homepage. Then your next action updates the system again, so the recommendation system does not read your mind. It reads your signals, your patterns, compared patterns, rank possible choices, and it learned from your feedback. This is how recommendation system works. Thank you. For more such videos, please subscribe to my YouTube channel.